What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to fix your IT administrator has limited access on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Now guys, I'm going to share with you one command that you can run in the command prompt that could potentially fix this issue within an heartbeat. And if it does, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if it helped you, and also hit the subscribe button. Now guys, what you want to do, just simply go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or on your taskbar and simple type CMD. Right, you want to right click on this command prompt and run this as administrator guys. It will give you a prompt, you just need to select yes and run it as administrator. Now once it comes up guys, your command prompt will have the C/Windows System32 location. So what you want to do guys, go ahead and run the following command. You want to type in net space user space administrator space /active : and also write yes. Now once you go ahead and write this guys, go ahead and hit enter and you will see the command completed successfully. Now all you have to do, go ahead, log out from your Windows, don't turn off your computer, just simply sign out or log out, log back in again, and then you want to go ahead and check that guys and see if that actually fixed the issue for you so that you have administrator rights and you shouldn't have this issue anymore. Thank you very much and see you next time.